Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English with Muna podcast, the place where you learn English through simple and natural conversations. I'm Muna.
And I'm Mahim. We're really happy to have you here today. If you want to improve your English speaking step by step, this podcast is for you.
Today, we're going to talk about a very common topic in conversations: how to describe your family in English.
Yes, this is a very useful skill. When you meet someone new, they often ask questions like, do you have a big family? How many people are in your family? Or tell me about your family.
Exactly. But many English learners feel nervous when they try to answer these questions.
That's true. Sometimes they know the words, but they don't know how to organize their sentences.
So today, we'll share simple phrases, tips, and examples to help you describe your family naturally.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything easy and practical.
All right, Mahim. Let's start with the first tip. When someone asks about your family, how should you begin?
The easiest way is to start with a simple introduction. For example, I come from a small family.
Or you could say, I have a big family.
Yes, another common sentence is, there are 5 people in my family.
That's very clear and easy to understand.
Exactly. English learners sometimes try to use very complicated sentences, but simple sentences work best.
Let me try an example. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
My father works in a business and my mother is a homemaker.
My brother is a student. My family is very supportive, and we like spending time together in the evening.
That was excellent. Very natural and easy to understand.
See, it's not so difficult.
Exactly. You just need a few simple sentences.
Before we finish, let's explain a few useful words from today's conversation.
Great idea. The first word is homemaker.
A homemaker is a person who manages the home and takes care of the family.
Example, my mother is a homemaker.
The next word is supportive.
Supportive means helping someone and encouraging them.
Example sentence: my family is very supportive of my dreams.
Another useful phrase is spend time together.
This means doing activities with your family or friends.
Example, we spend time together on weekends.
And the last word is relationship.
A relationship means the connection you have with someone.
Example, I have a good relationship with my parents.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today. First, start with a simple introduction of your family.
Second, describe each family member and what they do.
Third, talk about your relationship with them.
And finally, mention activities you do together as a family.
These simple steps will help you describe your family clearly and confidently.
And that's the end of today's episode on the English with Muna podcast.
We hope this conversation helps you describe your family more confidently in English.
Here's a small challenge for you. Try describing your family in English using 5 sentences. Practice speaking it out loud. That's the best way to improve. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English with Muna, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, happy learning.